How to see password in Outlook mobile app. I'm going to tell you how to see password in Outlook mobile app. Unfortunately, the Outlook mobile app doesn't allow you to view your saved email password directly within the app. This is a security measure to protect your account information. Instead, if you've forgotten your password, you'll need to reset through your email provider's website. For example, if you're using a Microsoft account, you can go to the Microsoft account recovery page and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you've reset your password, return to the Outlook app where you'll be prompted to enter the new password to regain access to your emails. Remember, it's a good practice to use a password manager to keep track of your password securely. If you're constantly switching devices or accounts, a reliable password manager can save you time and spare you the headache of lockouts.